Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ford Avatar in Bonelab. To begin, you must first complete the main story campaign of the game. Finishing the campaign is a crucial prerequisite, as it unlocks the necessary features, including the ability to switch between different avatars and full access to the central hub area. This sets the stage for finding Ford. Once the main story is complete, make your way back to the central hub area. Look for the distinctive Boneworks box store, often near a mysterious crate. Directly to its right, you will find a pillar or a prominent ledge. It's recommended to use a tall avatar to make climbing onto this spot much easier. After successfully climbing onto the ledge, you will discover a small toy capsule. This capsule holds the Ford Avatar. To unlock him, simply grab the capsule with both hands and pull them apart, revealing the avatar within. Once opened, the Ford Avatar is officially unlocked and added to your collection, ready for activation. With Ford unlocked, proceed to the Avatar machine, often referred to as the body mall, located in the hub. Interact with the machine and navigate through your list of available avatars. Select the Ford Avatar from the collection, then confirm your choice. You can now fully experience Bonelab as the iconic Ford character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.